Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the ninth question in exercise 4.4. If A is the matrix 3 minus 5, 4, 2, find A into adjoint of A. So first let's write what is adjoint of A. So it's a 2 cross 2 matrix. So here we're going to swap the location of these two elements. So this will be 2 and this will be 3. As far as these two elements are concerned, we're going to change the sign. So this minus 5 will become simply 5 here and 4 will become minus 4. Now that you have adjoint of A, let's do matrix multiplication. So we are going to multiply 3 minus 5, 4 and 2 with the adjoint which is 2, 5, minus 4 and 3. So let's start this row with this particular column. So this is 3 into 2 is 6. Plus minus 5 into minus 4 is plus 20. So now for this particular row to here, 3 into 5 is 15. Then plus 3 and minus 5 multiplied is another 15. Now particularly this row to this column, so it is 4 into 2 is 8 plus 4 into 2 is going to be minus 4 into 2 is 8. So this is going to be minus 8. Now this row with this column, 4 into 5 is 20 plus 3 into 2 is 6. Now let's simplify and write this. So this is going to be 26, 0, 0, 26. So this is going to be the value of A into adjoint of A, or you can also write this as 26i. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 10th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.